President Trump just announced a strategic crypto reserve. Is this the moment that crypto actually become the new gold? And what does this mean for our money? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome to Prepare to Prosper, where we try to keep crypto simple and easy to understand. And today I'd like to cover some major developments in the crypto space, including Trump's big crypto move, the latest market trends, and some critical scam alerts that we really all need to know about. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. President Trump's strategic crypto reserve and what it means for us. President Trump has just announced that the United States is going to establish a strategic crypto reserve. And it's not just talk, it's actual policy. Here's why this matters. If the United States government starts holding Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as part of its national reserves, this would be one of the biggest signs of mainstream adoption ever. Bitcoin would be put in the same category as gold, oil, and foreign currencies that the government holds for economic security. But there's another side to this. Government involvement could also mean more regulation. So if crypto becomes part of the official US financial system, we can all expect rules, tax policies, and oversight to follow. What should we do? We want to watch for details on how this reserve will be built. If the government starts buying Bitcoin, prices could surge. And if they choose to focus on stablecoins or US digital currency, that could impact the market differently. Congress moves forward on stablecoin regulation. See, the Senate Banking Committee has just approved a new stablecoin regulatory framework. Now, what this means is that stablecoins like USDC and USDT will soon be under federal oversight. Here's what that means for us. If stablecoins get official government backing, they could become safer for payments and DeFi, and businesses might start using them more widely. But there's another side to this. See, there's more regulation. This could mean stricter KYC rules, and if you're used to moving stablecoins easily between wallets, be prepared for the possibility of more tracking and more restrictions. Deutsche Börse's Clearstream just announced that they will offer Bitcoin and ETH custody for institutional investors starting next month. And here's why this is big. Institutional investors, big banks, hedge funds, and investment firms, they need safe, regulated ways to hold their crypto. And if they get it, they'll start putting billions of dollars into Bitcoin and ETH. Now, this could push prices up and make crypto a more accepted part of traditional finance. So if you're a long-term holder, this is great news. Bitcoin's wild ride. Should we buy the dip? Bitcoin recently dropped to 76,000 before bouncing back to 83.5. That's over 1.2 billion in long positions that were liquidated. So what does this mean? A drop like this could be short-term shakeout. Big investors forcing weaker hands to sell before pushing prices higher. Now, this could also be the start of a bigger correction, and some analysis predict that Bitcoin could dip as low as 73K before rebounding again. Should we buy the dip? Well, that depends on our strategy. If we believe in Bitcoin long term, this could be a buying opportunity. But if you're short term and you're trading, please be cautious because volatility is high right now. XRP and ETH, what is next? XRP jumped 5% while ETH is holding steady. So what is driving XRP's price? It could be linked to ongoing Ripple lawsuits, and if they win, XRP could skyrocket. As for ETH, its stability could be a sign of strength. And some analysis believe that a breakout is coming, especially with upcoming updates to the Ethereum network. Upcoming Federal Reserve meetings and what it means for crypto. The Federal Reserve is holding an FOMC meeting on March 19th. Now, this matters because if the Fed cuts interest rates, Bitcoin and crypto markets could explode upward. But if the Fed holds rates steady, we could see a sell-off as traders react to this news. The key thing to watch, how the markets react immediately after the announcement. Sometimes good news is already priced in, which leads to a sell the news event. Scam alerts, how to protect our crypto. There's been a massive $1.5 billion hack at Bybit linked to North Korea hackers, and here's how we protect ourselves. Please don't keep large amounts of crypto on exchanges. Rather, use a cold wallet for long-term storage. Watch out for phishing emails because hackers are targeting Bybit users with fake withdrawal requests. Crypto gambling in Florida and the risks that we really need to know. Crypto is being used for underground gambling at Florida beach events, and authorities are cracking down. Why should we care about this? Using unregulated platforms could get us into legal trouble. If we're using crypto for gaming, we want to stick to licensed platforms to avoid losing all of our money. Russia's crypto strategy leaked reports suggest that Russia is using Bitcoin for trade with China and India to bypass sanctions. Now, why does this matter? If governments start using Bitcoin for international trade, this could push Bitcoin toward becoming a global reserve asset. But this also means more regulation is coming. Expect the US and other countries to respond with stricter rules on crypto transactions. We need to know, will Bitcoin drop again? Some analysis thinks so. Some traders believe that Bitcoin could dip to 73 again before rebounding. So what should we do? If you're a long-term investor, this might be a buying opportunity. If you're trading short-term, again, please watch the support levels carefully. Here's some final thoughts. President Trump's announcement about a strategic crypto reserve could be a game changer. If the government starts holding Bitcoin, we could see new all-time highs. But if the details are unclear or slow to roll out, we can expect market volatility. Bitcoin's price swings are shaking out weak hands, but smart investors know how to play the long game. The upcoming Federal Reserve meeting could be another market-moving event, so let's keep an eye on how traders react. What do you think? Will Bitcoin drop to 73K again before it hits 100K? And do you think the US will actually follow through on this crypto reserve plan? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss next week's update. Crypto's changing super fast, and we don't want to be left behind. So stay smart, stay informed, and as always, prosper on.